wish you all a very, very happy New Year.
祝大家新年快乐。
Thank you, Bhagwan. Bhagwan, today is a very, very special day. So they want to see Bhagwan. So all the Chinese people from all over the world, they want to see Bhagwan and pray in front of Bhagwan. First, they want to express their gratitude, Bhagwan. I want to read one of the gratitude letter, Bhagwan. The humankind is changing because of you, Sri Bhagwan. Our respected Sri Amma Bhagwan, because of you, the humankind finally, successfully found the liberations from after so many years of suffering and searching. Our Divine Father and Mother, we got rebirth because of you. Today, Chinese people are awakening with happiness. Your teachings are spreading all over in China. Your grace is nurturing all the oneness people in China and their families, friends, and companies. Life is relationship. People are practicing this great teaching in their life. People are going back to their families. The thousands of families are connected with love. Individuals are awakening to the reality of life. Love is flowing in the society. Oneness centers are sprouting all over China. Oneness meditation is pouring your love and compassion to people. Oneness awakening course is nurturing people's heart like beautiful waterfalls. Chinese people are awakened to the whole universe. We are one with the universe. You are me, I am you. Our hearts are flowering. We are holding our hands together. Blessing givers have hosted many events. Thousands of people have attended. Lots of hearted and deep touched. From individual to union, from competition to cooperation, from separation to oneness. Dear Sri Amma Bhagwan, the humankind is changing because of awakening you endowed.
Thank you.
谢谢你们。
Bhagwan, they have few questions, Bhagwan.
Yes.
My dearest beloved Bhagwan, Sri Bhagwan, would you please tell me what to do for the liberation of all my ancestors?
Talk to your ancestors. Tell them that they would not be judged or punished by the divine, and that they could start their journey towards becoming one with the divine. This is enough. The journey of liberation would begin.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, which sadhana is suitable for rising our consciousness quickly after awakened?
Focusing on one's relationships would immediately increase the levels of awakening.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Father Bhagwan, thank you for giving me a new career. I am very grateful. I pray every day and I am writing prayer note. But I cannot visualize colorful and 3D pictures when I was praying. There are judgments in my mind. I cannot calm down. Please, Bhagwan, tell me what should I do?
Increase the level of your emotion, the prayer would work.
Thank you, Bhagwan. My dearest Bhagwan, thank you for giving me awakening. Thank you for being in my life. After I awakened, I found I am still having negative emotions such as anger, jealous and depression. What I should do with them? Thank you, Bhagwan.
All this would go away in the next few months.
Dear Sri Amma Bhagwan, thank you so much for helping this world and China awaken. In China, there are Taoist, Buddhism and so on. There are teachings and so many different sadhanas. Is that okay to combine these sadhanas with oneness sadhanas, Bhagwan? Thank you, Bhagwan.
It is perfectly okay to combine.
Thank you, Bhagwan. My dearest Amma Bhagwan, it's Chinese Spring Festival, the biggest festival in China today. Wish you and Amma healthy life. And please accept all my family's gratitude to you for what you have done in our lives. After I awakened last year, I feel I am nobody and nothing I can do inside of me. I lost vision and motivation in all the aspects in my life. What should I do, Bhagavan? Thank you, Bhagavan.
Everything would fall into place very soon. Do not worry about it.
Dear Sri Amma Bhagavan, Happy Chinese New Year. Since more and more people getting awakening, is oneness meditation still aiming to give people awakening? Shall we keep practicing oneness meditation after awakened? Which way is better for us to receive oneness meditation energy, through internet or physically participating in oneness meditation?
Oneness meditation would work equally well if given directly or on the internet. Before you are awakened, oneness meditation would help you to become awakened. After awakening, oneness meditation would raise your levels of awakening.
Dear Sri Amma Bhagavan, we are so happy to see oneness is booming in China now. More and more Chinese devote to oneness vision to help this world. Thank you, Amma Bhagavan. What's China's role in 2013 and future to this world? And in this year, do you have any wishes to Chinese trainers and givers?
China would show the way to the world to oneness. My wish for 2013 is all Diksha givers and trainers must become awakened. Love you all. Thank you so
我
much.
爱每一位，非常感谢大家。
Bhagavan, they want to pray in front of Bhagavan for peace.
Yes, you could
那
pray.
他们想要在
Love you all. Love you.
感谢每一位，我爱每一位。